Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be asking my friends double meaning riddles. So I saw Ashi Khanna doing this on her channel and मुझे बहुत time से करना था, but because of COVID we're not meeting and we're still not going to be meeting, but instead of doing like a video call, like a split screen situation, what I'm going to do is I'm inviting my friends one by one in my house and we're going to sit like 10-15 feet away and दो camera मैंने set up कर दी है and then that's how we're going to record. I wish we could do it like in person where I could sit next to them and do it, but that's not going to happen for a while. So this is the best that we can do. We're kind of creating two sets and then we're just going to film there, and then in between each person I'll sanitize the area. Out of everyone, I'll just sit with Aditya because anyway we're like quarantining together, so it's okay, we can sit next to each other. But I think that's basically it. All of you guys were requesting me constantly to make videos with my friends. I think this is the best that I can do right now. And also these riddles are, I would say, PG-16. Please don't watch this video if you're under 16. Even though इतना कुछ है नहीं इस ये मतलब ये video में, but still I just don't feel comfortable. So if you're under 16, please come back and watch my next video or watch my previous videos. And yeah, let's just get started. So basically, I'm going to be asking you riddles. Okay, and you have to answer these riddles. Are you ready?
Do I have an option?
No, you don't. ठीक है, सुनो. Every man has one. Some are big, some are small. It feels great when you blow it, but it drips if you aren't careful. What is it?
Nose?
How did you know? I did not expect him to know that. Some prefer being on top, some prefer being on the bottom, and it always involves a bed. What am I?
क्या? Blanket?
Blanket में top और bottom कहाँ से आया?
होता है, पैर के नीचे चाहिए रहता है काफी लोगों को.
ठीक है, पास. गलत है तेरा आंसर. A bunk bed. What is hairy on the outside but soft and wet on the inside? Okay, and this word starts with a C and ends with a T. क्या है पहली चीज दिमाग में? बोल दे, मैं बीप कर दूंगी.
कुछ नहीं आ रहा दिमाग में. Is it a body part? यार इतना तो हिंट मिलना चाहिए.
हाँ है बॉडी पार्ट. बता क्या है? पास. कोकोनट. What is at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and it's more fun when it vibrates. जो पहला आया दिमाग में बोलना पड़ेगा.
अरे यार ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. जो पहला आया वो मेरे बस की चीज नहीं है. Toothbrush.
Dude, I'm so surprised. I thought no one's gonna be able to guess it. I start with a P and I end with ORN. I am a major player in the film industry. What am I? Adi knows. If Shikhar is not able to guess, Adi can come in and answer.
ये कौन सा एक्टर है?
कौन सा एक्टर है? Good guess, but film industry के point of view से. He's thinking out of the box. Unlike you guys who are watching the video and thinking the obvious.
चल पास.
Adi wants to come in.
Popcorn.
You're right. That's correct. Okay, so we have the couple here with us. So they again have no idea what we're doing. Do you want to guess what we're doing? No clue. Actually, he was guessing all this time when he came. He gave me like 10 guesses. कुछ भी सही नहीं था. So basically what we're doing is I'm gonna give you guys riddles and you guys have to guess them.
I need Adi.
Yeah, he's done with his turn. Ready?
Yeah.
He just like left me because there were riddles. He's like, तू अपना देख ले बाबा.
नहीं, तुम लोग दोनों collectively answer दे सकते हो. What does a man have that begins with a P and it gets it gets bigger if it's properly stimulated? What is it?
So difficult. Are we supposed to answer this fairly or?
Whatever you think it is. I love Adu's expression.
She'll answer.
No, why will I answer? It's about a guy.
So?
So you answer. It's not what you think it is.
Yeah, it's not what you think.
That's why I'm trying to think something else. लेकिन एक ही चीज दिमाग में आ रहा है. Pass. No?
You're supposed to ask me also before
Pass?
giving a pass. No.
2000 years later. The pupil of the eye.
But that everybody has.
Yeah, so I never said women don't have. I just said men have.
But stimulate कैसे करते हैं pupil?
Light ज़्यादा bright होता है या dim होता है.
Why I thought physical stimulation?
That's your problem.
What does every woman have? That starts with a V.
Oh my god.
That she can use to get whatever she wants.
What else do I have with we?
What else do you have with me?
What else do we have? Now this is very like generic, but you just put women.
When it
with
was
this.
a man-related question, it was you answered. It's a spoiler. Now it's generic.
I was still thinking.
When you ask me such questions, I get only one thing.
I'm just saying it's one of your qualities, like willpower or vigilance or something like that. But
Men don't have vigilance, huh?
but that way pupils also men women both have now. So it's a tricky question.
Yeah, pass.
Her voice. What's long and hard and has the word come in it? I think Adu, you'll get this. Come on.
Mayur is like, I got this in my head, it's that only, and I'm not going to think beyond that.
No, but it doesn't have the word come in it.
Curriculum,
How is curriculum long and hard?
it is. It's very long and it's hard.
She's actually right. I mean, true, we can consider that as an answer, but मतलब इसमें था cucumber. Curriculum.
इसके लिए curriculum नहीं आता.
नहीं, curriculum में कम नहीं है.
कम है पर curriculum.
मतलब it's not together.
Hey, fake answer.
I also got convinced.
You can like kind of give it to me. Okay.
No.
No. What is super hard and goes into a tiny hole?
Nail.
Right, maybe. But you don't put a nail in a hole.
Of course.
अच्छा हाँ right the
Drill and-
okay fine चलेगा I guess चलेगा but इसमें लिखा हुआ है a key.
Logic same.
Logic तो सब जगह.
Name a word that's 4 letters that has 4 letters and it ends with UNT and it's also used to refer some women.
Such a.
Aunt. Easy guy. I started.
You did not think from your simple guy perspective.
No, first thing was you can't say that. So hard.
What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and it's more fun when it vibrates.
A vibrating toothbrush. Yeah.
Correct.
What else? What else will vibrate?
I don't know.
That's what Adi does every day.
When I go in, I can cause some pain. I'll fill your holes when you ask me to. I also ask that you spit and not swallow.
That dentist ka
Yeah, something
drilling
related to
thing.
dentist. Dentist only. Because हम लोग के दिमाग में dentist घूम रहे हैं हम लोग को जाने के.
What gets longer if pulled, fits snugly between breasts, slides neatly into a hole, chokes people when used incorrectly,
Bingham.
and works well when jerked. Seatbelt. Today I'm going to be asking you some riddles. Okay, and you have to answer them. बस उतना ही है और कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है? So the first one is when I go in, I cause some pain. I fill your holes when you ask me to. I also ask that you spit and not swallow. What am I?
ये इंस्टा में पढ़ा हुआ है मैंने किधर तो, लेकिन आंसर याद नहीं.
जो पहला मन में आ रहा है वो बोल दे. इतना सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है.
ऐसा R-rated riddles क्यों पूछती है?
Pass. Dentist.
पढ़ा था.
Next, I go in hard but come out soft. I never mind if you blow me. What am I? Pass.
I guess.
A chewing gum. Okay, name a word that has 4 letters. Okay, and it ends with UNT. And a lot of women are like, some women are called that word. Like, that is the word that is used to refer to them. What is it? What's the word?
Aunt.
Good one. I wouldn't have been able to get this. I feel like, I don't know. What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and it's fun when it vibrates. ये मैं तीर्थ को पक्का पूछ रही हूँ, ये वाला.
वो तो R-rated जवाब देगा ही.
I know, I'm so surprised no one has given it so far like an R-rated answer. Everyone knows what's up. Like, अगर मुझे कोई ये पूछता, I would have like directly gone to there only.
And said what?
I don't know. It's not being asked.
She wants us to say all this, but she herself won't say it.
Pass.
Pass.
Toothbrush.
Oh, electronic toothbrush.
Some people prefer being on top, others prefer being on the bottom, and it always involves a bed. What am I?
Bedsheet, blanket.
Shikhar also said the same thing, but it's a bunk bed. But I guess not really, but ठीक है, whatever. At least you tried. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
आज के वीडियो के लिए I'm going to be asking you a bunch of riddles.
Okay.
You can't taste it unless you undress it. What is it?
आइसक्रीम. हाँ, वो स्टिक वाला आता है ना, उसका पैकेट खोलेंगे.
That is true. He's not wrong. ठीक है, but मतलब इसमें था banana, but your also I think answer counts. It's valid.
Yeah, okay.
You have to blow it to play with it. What am I?
अरे वो आते हैं ना, वो बबल्स इतना ना करते.
He's giving such creative answers, Nani. I mean, यहाँ पे लिखा है balloon, but I think your answer also counts.
वो ऐसा पानी में डाल के.
What's long and hard and has the word come in the middle? नहीं, has the word come.
Cucumber.
Dude, wow! I'm so surprised. You play with it all night and it vibrates. What is it?
फोन पे PUBG खेलते हैं, कभी कभार वाइब्रेट भी हो जाता है.
तो मतलब तेरा आंसर क्या है?
फोन, मोबाइल फोन.
बहुत इजी पूछ रही है नानी के, ऐसा बख्श देके.
मैं स्कूल में जाता था जिधर हम लोग ने सिर्फ यही किए हैं.
What is at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth and it vibrates?
नहीं, पास.
A toothbrush.
अच्छा हाँ, अरे हम लोग नहीं गए यूएस, हम लोग नहीं मालूम है सब कि टूथब्रश वाइब्रेट होता है. मेरे पास वो सादा 30 रुपए वाला है.
Name a word that starts with F and ends with UCK. Pass. Fire truck. What's beautiful and natural, but it gets prickly when it's not trimmed regularly?
कोई तो झाड़ी है, पेड़ ही है कोई तो.
ठीक है, pass. Grass.
हाँ.
Okay, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
So just for context, Aditya is really good with riddles. So in case if he's able to answer most of them, yeah, 50% of them, don't think this is scripted. I swear on my nanny, I haven't told him the riddles in advance. So yeah, are you ready? Let's get started.
Let's go.
Okay, you have to blow it to play with it. What is it?
Balloon.
Yeah, you're right. What is super hard and goes in a tiny hole?
A lot of things like that.
Name a few.
Pencil goes into a sharpener.
Okay.
Inhaler ka dibbi goes into an inhaler. There's a lot of things that you can say like that. I don't know what you...
Give me
one
more.
I don't know, maybe your headphone jack. Even that's super hard and goes into a tiny headphone jack hole. There's a lot of things, I don't know.
That's interesting. यहाँ पे key लिखा है. Key goes into the keyhole.
उससे भी छोटा headphone jack का hole है.
ठीक है, fine. Fair enough. You play with it at night and it vibrates. What is it?
My PlayStation controller.
एक और बोल.
Phone.
Yeah, correct. Guys, this is getting boring. Okay. I am great for protection. You use your fingers to get me off. What am I?
Gloves.
you're right. Okay, name a word that starts with F and ends with UCK. अगर ये तुझे आ गया ना तो मैं मान लूँ तुझे.
F starts with F and
Ends with UCK. It's obviously not what we think it is. It's something else only, obviously. Fire truck.
फायर ट्रक. मैं ट्रक के पहले वो ही नहीं आ रहा मेरे को.
अच्छा, चल एक और.
I got the truck but F का वो यही नहीं जा रहा.
एक और. What 4-letter word begins with F and ends with K? And if you can't get it, you can always use your hands. 4-letter word that
Fork.
starts with F. Huh?
Fork.
Yeah. Do you give up? Just say it.
नहीं.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one last one. I've already asked you way more than the others because you were able to answer most of them. Okay? So, what is most rewarding when it is long and hard? Pass? A college education.
That's not even. It's stupid.
अभी देख मुझे.
This is stupid. There are thousands of things that you can say like that, but it's stupid.
I'll ask him one more. This is last one, pakka. Okay. What does a cow have 4 of that women only have 2 of?
Legs.
Yeah. Okay.
पूछते तो एकदम ही नूब लेवल पूछते या तो एकदम हाई लेवल.
दूसरे सबका वो रिएक्शन आया, but he was so focused on getting the answers that वो रिएक्शन आया.
That matters more than the.
Winning matters more. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I hope this was a fun one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
He's been doing that for 3 days.
क्या?
ऐसे रहते हैं, मैंने भी सीखा.
हाँ.
No, it's supposed to be shocking. मतलब ऐसा. अच्छा नहीं, या फिर हंस सकते हो, हंसने वाला या हाँ, एक दूसरे को देख के करो, चलेगा. But hold the pose.
हाँ, हंस रहे हो. प्री वेडिंग फोटोशूट बाकी है पूरी. ऐसे करना है उसमें सब.
देख के कैसे हंसने का?
वाला शक्ल बना दे तेरा. ऐसे पॉज करके रखना. ऐसे नहीं, और आँख बड़ा कर दे.
Perfect.
Bye.